Hi, I'm Gogakuha. Welcome to my kitchen. Dobrodošli. Today I will be cooking with collards, or what we call it in Croatia raštika, and this is this kind of leaf which is in the family of the cabbage, same as kale or broccoli. The quality of the leaf is great because you like it stays in the same shape. It will mean it will not break while cooking. So what I'm gonna use to make Japrak, and Japrak is alternative to Sarma. So you roll the ground meat with rice, and then you cook, which is like same as Sarma, but just a little bit different. And the beauty of the collard leaves is that there is always available in a grocery store, where you might not have sour cabbage, or many people use the grape leaves, but grape leaves are so hard to find. So you use collards, this great plant, which is very nutritional and great for cooking. I'm gonna show you what to do with it. Collard leaves are prepared by removing the stalk from the bottom of the leaf. Then we cut them and prepare them by blanching. Blanching is a process of pouring the hot water on top of the leaf, and once that's done, then we rinse them with the cold water, and this way they will be ready for cooking. So you roll a little ball of stuffing and place it in the middle of the leaf, and then once that's done, you roll your rolls really nicely, and then this is gonna prevent the meat from coming out from while cooking, and this is ready. So I hopefully this was helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe.